Hello traders, this is a weekly recap and what to look out for this trading week. Currently there is a correction now happening in the crypto markets because of profit taking. H4 charts, you can see the bearish price action on most cryptos. The first crypto I'm going to start out with is Bitcoin, followed by the top 10 cryptos on CoinMarketCap. So this is Bitcoin H4 chart. There's a 3-5 bearish wave correction happening now, waiting for price to test 8,899. Then waiting for price to get on the right side, breakout up. If 8,899 doesn't hold, price will continue lower to test previous supports. And this is the first level, 8,899. If this level doesn't hold, price will test the next level of previous supports at 8,426 and followed by 7,982. This is Ethereum chart H4. There's a 3-5 wave correction happening now, waiting for price to test $720 or lower lows at 637. So this is the first level at 720 and the second level at 637. Then waiting for price to break out up and get on the right side if the bullish trend wants to continue higher. So this would be the right side, and price will test these levels. If 720 doesn't hold, then price will go to 637, and I'm expecting price to get back in the channel and continue higher. This is XRP USD. This is Ripple chart. Bearish correction now happening, waiting for price to test 77 cents or lower at 67 cents. Also the retest of the daily trend line break. Expecting price to break out up if the bullish trend wants to continue higher. Okay, so I'm waiting for these levels to be tested and expecting to move higher. This is Bitcoin Cash H4 chart, and Bitcoin Cash is bullish. Price broke previous resistance, now pulling back, testing support at $1,638. Maybe some consolidation, then a continued move higher to previous resistance at $2,017. This is a critical level. Price can continue lower and make a bearish correction to 1,442. So watch out for the bearish price action. This is EOS USD H4 chart, waiting for price to get on the right side, break out up above $18.44. If bearish trend continues, price will test $13.46. Also 200 black EMA. Expecting price to break out up for the bullish trend to continue higher. So I'm expecting something like that to happen. This is Litecoin H4 chart, bearish price action, waiting for correction to finish at 156 and test the support trend line. If bearish PA continues, price will test previous supports at 142. So this is the first level for test, and then this is the second level at 142. This is Stellar H4 chart. Currently there's a bearish correction, waiting for price to test 35 cents. Will price hold 35 cents or go lower to 26 cents? I'm waiting for bearish trend to finish and hold strong at previous supports and see if bullish price action continues for the upside. This is NEO H4 chart, waiting for price to test black 200 EMA, also $70.92. Waiting for bearish trend to finish. If the trend continues bearish, price will continue lower to $62. Expecting price to break up eventually for the bullish run up. So this is the type of price action I'm expecting. If $70 doesn't hold, then price will go to $62, but I want price to break out up for the bullish move higher. This is Tron H4 chart, waiting for bearish trend to finish and test 6 cents. Also black EMA 200. If price continues lower, major support at 5 cents. If these support levels hold, then I'm waiting for price to get on the right side and break out up. Next chart is Zcash H4 chart, waiting for price to get on the right side, break out up or test lower lows at $270. Also point D of XABCD. If bearish trend continues, price will test $247 in previous supports. I'm expecting price to break out above $308 for the continuation of the bullish move up. And that is all.